Welcome. In front of me is an LG V50, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So to get started, we will need a SIM ejector. It comes provided with the device, so you can get it from the box. Or you can also use just a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. And from there, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the right side of the device, right underneath the power key, as you can see. And when you push it in, the tray pops out, as you can see right here. And let's just take it out, and in here we have space for a single SIM card or single SD card, and I believe 2 SIM trays. Now one can be only used, yep, there we go. So you can use the SD tray as a SIM tray as well, so you could use 2 different SIM cards, or you can use one of each. Now I will go with the one of each option, so just place one right here, and then second one right over here. Okay, there we go. And from there, once you have inserted it, simply slide it back into the device. Now there's the pin for the SIM card, so confirm that, and now let's unlock the device. And there we go. So the SIM card is obviously working based on the pin, and SD should be working as well. There it is. So it is working just as well. And that is how we would insert both SIM and SD card into this phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.